What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any document, report, news article, or any spreadsheet into an interactive artifact using Claude. So let's get started. To turn a document into an interactive artifact using Claude, we're going to start with the sales report right here. It's a sales report with 120 items. You can see the date, the order ID, product, region, sales channel, number of units, unit price, discount, customer type, revenue, gross margin, and gross profit. So if you have a sales report similar to this one, you can turn these into an interactive artifact using Claude. To do that, you can download the sales report. Then in Claude, you can find sales report that we just downloaded right here. And then we can tell Claude, turn the attached sales report into a polished interactive web experience that makes the sales stories easy to understand, explore, and share. Use only the attached report as a source of truth. Do not invent, estimate, or modify any data. The goal is not to recreate the spreadsheet. Analyze the data first, then identify the most meaningful findings, and then present those findings through an intuitive, interactive web page. So here, we're outlining the most important information. Make the design feel like a premium SaaS sales intelligence product. Do not create charts simply to fill space. Every visual should answer a useful question. Then before finishing, verify calculations, filters, chart data, labels, totals, and display values. Here, then build and render the finished interactive Claude artifact directly. Do not output code or any explanations. So to turn our sales report here into an interactive dashboard that we can be able to understand using Claude, I'm gonna hit send message right here. Give it a few seconds for it to turn our sales report into an interactive dashboard. You can see it successfully generated our sales dashboard from our sales report over here. This is incredible. Here you can see what is included in the dashboard. Let's expand it right here to preview the dashboard. So here you can see the sales dashboard, 8 out of 8 deals shown. Here is the total revenue card, total profit, profit margin, units sold, and the average deal size cards. Here you can search for a customer representative of the product. You can filter via all regions right here. You can filter the products right here or the different plans. You can also filter the channels right here. This is amazing. Then here you can see the revenue and profit trend chart. Here's the revenue by region chart. Here's the revenue by product chart. And here are the key insights from our data on our spreadsheet. And then here you can see the deal log right here. See the date, customer, product, region, channel, units, revenue, profit margin, and the sales representatives. This is incredible. You can toggle between light mode and dark mode right here, which is incredible. This is amazing. So we successfully generated the sales dashboard as an artifact from this data spreadsheet right here in Claude. This is incredible. Let us try generating another artifact from a different source. We can try with a different source. So here, we're going to try with this customer survey spreadsheet. You can see the name of the customer, segment, with their satisfaction, product quality, ease of use, support, recommendation, and their feedback right here. This is incredible. So now, yeah, I'm going to download this spreadsheet. And then in Claude, we're going to upload it right here. So click on add files to upload our spreadsheet. So we'd like to turn our survey into a well-designed artifact. Just keep that in mind. Here we're going to tell Claude, create a polished interactive customer insight dashboard from the attached survey. Show satisfaction, recommendation, product support, performance, segment differences and feedback themes with KPI cards, 2 to 3 working visualization, filters and searchable feedback. Add light and dark mode, and do not use Chart.js, CDN libraries. Use only the native self-contained artifact visualization. All visualization must be visible, responsive, and fit their containers and update correctly with filters. To generate our artifact from our survey data, I'm gonna hit send message right here. Let's give it a second for it to create our artifact for us. Here you can see successfully generated our customer insight dashboard for us right here. This is amazing. What is included in the dashboard: KPI cards, 3 visualization to generated insights, feedback theme chips, searchable feedback cards, and light and dark toggle. Let's review our dashboard. So you can see the customer insight dashboard is the average satisfaction code, NPS scorecard, product quality card, supporting rating, and the responses card. You can search for the customer or the feedback right here. You can also filter through segments and all NPS groups right here. It's amazing. Then here you can see the experience profile chart, NPS breakdown chart, satisfaction and recommendation by segment chart. Here, see the mid-market, enterprise, and the SMB. And then here you can see the key insights with the feedback themes. It's amazing. And here you can see the customer feedback. So for this company, which is a mid-market company, is their feedback. For this company, here's their feedback. Same as this company. This other company, this company, this company, this company, and this other company right here. This is amazing. Also getting the satisfaction out of 5, quality out of 5, ease out of 5, and support out of 5. This is amazing. And here you can see their scores out of 10. This is incredible. So we successfully generated this customer insight dashboard with all these different cards, charts, and data from our spreadsheet right here in Claude. This is incredible. So this was the survey. Let us try and using a different source to generate our dashboard as an artifact similar to this one. Yeah, this is incredible. To generate a dashboard, this time around we can use an article example as the source. Here I have an example PDF of an article that we can use as our source to generate an artifact. Now mind you, this is not a comprehensive article. This is just something I just made in less than 2 seconds, since this is just an example to show you how you can generate an artifact from an example article in Claude. Here I'm going to find our file. And then here you can tell Claude, turn the attached article into a polished interactive editorial web page, surface the main argument, themes, important ideas, examples, and takeaways with a visual summary, section navigation, takeaway cards, and useful interactive elements. Add light and dark mode, and do not use Chart.js, CDN libraries, or undefined dependencies. Article and render the finished artifact. To generate our article as an artifact, I'm gonna hit send message right here. Let's give it a second for it to generate our artifact for us from our article. Let's give it a second for it to do that. Here you can see successfully generated for us our interactive artifact from our article. This was our example article right here that we use as a source. And here we can expand this right here to preview our interactive artifact. We can toggle between dark and light mode right here. And now here you can see the title of our article. Here is the executive summary. Here are the 8 sections right here. And here you can see the key ideas from our article. It's incredible. You can expand each idea right here to review. And then here you can see the important examples listed right here. And then lastly here the key takeaways from the article. I love it. So from this example article, we generated these interactive artifacts outlining the executive summary, key ideas, examples, key takeaways right here in Claude. This is incredible. So let us try generating another artifact from a different source. So this time around we're going to use a research report, this one right here, as the source. So we're going to download it, and then after downloading it, here we're going to find the report. So here you can see our report right here. Then I'm going to tell Claude, turn the attached research report into a polished interactive research briefing. Show key findings, statistics, comparison, application, methodology, and limitations with an executive summary, KPI cards, 2 to 3 working visualizations, and interactive exploration. So here I'm going to hit send message and then give it a few seconds for it to generate our artifact for us. So let's give it a minute or two for it to do that. So here you can see successfully generated our interactive artifact from our research report on remote work and team productivity. This is incredible. So here is what is in the library: metric explorer, comparison metrics, and remote versus office gap chart. It's incredible. It also included 4 KPI cards, a full table matching the source exactly, and a prominent methodology limitations call out. This is incredible. Let us preview the interactive artifact. So here we can toggle between light and dark mode here. This is incredible. So here you can see the title, remote work and team productivity. Here's the executive summary. Here are the key findings. So you can see the highest productivity is 4.2 out of 5. Highest work-life balance is 4.5 out of 5. Highest communication is 4.1 out of 5. And collaboration edge is 4.1 out of 5. This is incredible. You can see the metric explorer. Here is the remote, hybrid, and office. You can see the scores, and you can see the breakdown right here: work-life balance, collaboration, and the communication. Then here you can see where the gap is widest in terms of productivity and work-life balance. Then here you can see the reported data, see the findings, group score, and the interpretation. Then lastly, you can see the methodology versus limitation. This is incredible. You can see this right here. This is amazing. So it successfully generated this very beautiful and interactive artifact right here in Claude. So let us try generating an interactive dashboard with new source. This time around, we're going to use this marketing performance data to generate an interactive dashboard. So you can see the campaigns, channel, spend, impressions, clicks, leads, conversions, revenue, cost per lead, and return on ad spend. This is incredible. Now, to generate an interactive dashboard from this marketing performance data, we're going to download our data. Then in Claude, we're going to find the file that we just downloaded right here. Then we're going to tell Claude, create a polished interactive marketing dashboard from the attached report. Show spend, leads, conversions, revenue, cost per lead, return on ad spend, channel performance, best and worst campaigns, and key insights with KPI cards, 2 to 3 simple working visualizations, filters, and searchable table. Generate the marketing dashboard. I'm going to hit send message right here. Give it a few seconds for it to generate our dashboard for us. Here you can see successfully generated our marketing performance dashboard using Claude. This is incredible. Here's what is included in the dashboard. We have KPI cards, result drawn, SVG charts, filters, best and worst campaign cards, sortable, and like and toggle. This is incredible. So I'm going to expand this right here to preview our dashboard. So we can see the name right here, campaign and channel ledger. Here's the total spend, the total leads, conversions, total revenue, blended cost per lead, and blended return on ad spend. You can filter by the campaigns, for example, Google Ads, Meta, LinkedIn, email, or organic. You can also search for the campaigns right here. Then here you can see the channel and campaign performance. The first chart that we're seeing right here is spend versus revenue by channel. As you can see right here. The second one is the lead share by channel right here. The other one is the cost per lead versus return on ad spend right here. You can see it right here. This is incredible. The other one is best and worst campaigns. You can see the top performing campaign and the worst of and the one that needs a lot of attention. And you can see the key insights and the campaign details right here. So you can see the name of the campaign, the channel, spend, leads, the conversion rate, revenue, cost per lead, and return on ad spend. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these very beautiful looking and interactive dashboard that we can toggle either via dark or lights right here in Claude. And let's try generating one last item using a different source. Let us try generating our own interactive dashboard from a different source. This time around we're going to use this project status data to generate our interactive artifacts. To do that, we're going to download this data. Then in Claude, here we're going to upload a file. Then I'm going to tell Claude, create a published interactive project dashboard from the attached report. So to generate one last time an interactive artifact in Claude, I'm going to hit send message right here. Let's give it a second or two to generate our dashboard for us. So here you can see successfully generated our report as an interactive dashboard from our data right here. Let us preview the dashboard right here. So here you can see the can be able to toggle between dark and light mode right here. So it's incredible. Here you can see the total number of projects. We have 8. We've completed only 1. Here's the average progress. Here's the budget, total spend, fundraise, causes issues, and the project that need attention. You can filter either by department, status, priority, or search for project, or the manager right here. And you can see the budget versus actual spend right here in this chart. With this other chart, you can see the status distribution, and with this one, you can see the attention matrix, progress versus budget utilization. And here you can see all the projects. You can see the projects, the manager, department, status, priority, progress, budget, what they actually paid, with the variance, risk, and the issues. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these interactive dashboard from the simple data that we gave it right here as a source in Claude right here. This is incredible. This is how you can turn in a report, document, or article into an interactive web experience right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.